text and answer the questions. This is the River Thames. It is almost 346 kilometers long and is the second longest river in Great Britain. It flows through London, and it's this part of the river that most tourists see. But there's more to the Thames than a trip down the river. The Romans built a settlement on the River Thames, and over the centuries it grew into the city of London, with a huge port. Ships from around the world brought food, goods and people to the capital. But by the 1980s, most of the docks had closed and the area became run down. A lot of money has been invested in this huge riverside area, and today it's known as Docklands. The old warehouses are now attractive apartments. There are new office buildings, shopping centers, and leisure facilities too. People enjoy living and working by the river. People also enjoy living on the river. The Thames has seen a lot of changes over the years, but perhaps the biggest change is still to come. This image is of the River Thames frozen over. It's not a real photograph. It's been created digitally. It shows the effect climate change may have on the river if temperatures drop significantly. They were created by two illustrators, Didier Maddock-Jones and Robert Graves. The River Thames has changed over the centuries and will continue to do so. But hopefully, it will always be here for both local people and tourists to enjoy and explore.